Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Rockauto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by Clearview Shields, windshields engineered for your custom style.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You see a lot of detail companies out there with car care products, and they always test them on really shiny new sports cars. But Michael, what if you have a vehicle like this? This one's 7 years old, and it's seen some road time. How can NEXGEN help make this car look better?
Obviously, when you have a car that's got some miles on it, it's seen some time on the road, the first thing you want to evaluate is how hard has it been driven? How well has it been taken care of? Are there scratches? Are there swirl marks? Are there marring issues? Has it seen some parking lot dingers? Do you have some scratches or paint transfer from things that have happened in that nature? You obviously want to prep your paint job before you move towards a protective coating. But ahead of doing that, what you really have to try to decide is, do I want to spend $1,000 and go to the detail shop and have them run through a multi-step process to do paint correction? Or do I feel like the scratches and the swirl marks that are on my vehicle are something that I can take care of at home? We have obviously a product line for both. We have a professional grade product that our detailers use that's a 4-step process. But for consumers that are at home that want to tackle this on their own on a Sunday afternoon, we have our NEXGEN Scratch and Swirl. And the value proposition of this product is that it's an all-in-one product. It not only has a polish in it, but it has a diminishing abrasive. And the diminishing word is the key word there. Where most all-in-one products have abrasives, which are really designed to create scratches around the scratch to level it out, ours is a diminishing abrasive. So the longer that you use the product, the more the abrasive diminishes and the more the polish begins to kick in. So without using a lot of elbow grease, but putting in a little bit of time, you work this product into your finish, the abrasive diminishes, the polish kicks in, and you can take out those scratches, those swirls, those mar marks, or in some cases paint transfer, without having to go to a detailer and pay a lot of money.
When this one came in, there were some scratches and things on it and some marring. I thought this was a repaint on the full front bumper, and you guys were able to take care of that.
Yeah, so we spent probably 5 or 6 minutes on one corner of this car. We took off quite a few scratches. We took off some paint transfer. We took off what looked maybe like some rubber transfer where it had rubbed up against something. And in just a few minutes, we're able to remove all of that and basically prep that front quarter so that you can now apply a ceramic protective coating on it so that you can prevent those type of things from happening in the future, provided you don't run into something.
And you mentioned the ceramic now, so you take it to the next level with the ceramic coating. First of all, what does the ceramic coating do for me?
As you can see, and I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up, but we took 15 seconds and we applied a coat of our NEXGEN ceramic spray on one side of the hood versus the other side of the hood. The ceramic coating is essentially going to fill in all those micro abrasions. It's going to create a smooth finish across the top of your clear coat. Now this car's 7 years old, but when paint is brand new, right off the showroom floor, if I magnified that, it would literally look like the Grand Canyon, even though it's brand new. Our ceramic spray with nanotechnology fills in all those cracks and crevices that the naked eye can't see. But what can see those cracks and crevices is dust, dirt, and debris. That's where they all get caught. So by filling in those cracks, crevices, all that debris essentially bounces off of your finish now because you have a smooth, glass-like protective coating that nothing wants to stick to. So once you've prepped your car, even at 7 years old, you can pull that finish back out of it. You can pull that shine back out of it by applying our NEXGEN ceramic, bringing the car's finish essentially back to life.
Now NEXGEN has products for both the DIYer when it comes to ceramics and also for the professional. What's the difference between the two?
So our DIY products, we have 17 in the line right now. You can cover everything in your vehicle inside and out. You can get as specific as I want something to treat my leather, I want to condition my leather, I want to ceramic coat my leather through general products like glass cleaners, wheel and tire cleaners, and obviously our flagship product, which is the ceramic spray. When it goes to the professional line of products, we're pushing those out through professional distribution because we want to make sure that those get into the hands of people that understand how to use a more pro-grade product. Because the one thing at NEXGEN that we pride ourselves on is providing quality products for people that they can't hurt their vehicle with. Every product in our DIY line is geared towards the DIY user, which means you can put it on, you can use it, you're not going to run into an issue. You can always fix any mistakes that you make. When you get into some of the pro grade products, you have a little bit harsher abrasives, sometimes harsher chemicals. Used incorrectly, you can find yourself working right through the clear coat, in some cases right through the paint, right down to the bare metal. We don't want anybody to experience that. We want to leave those in the hands of a professional.
Quickly, we see so many car care products on the market. What makes NEXGEN different?
Well, I think, and obviously I'm biased because I'm the CEO of the company, I feel like our company fits into a spot in the market where we're large enough and we have enough resources to really spend the time researching and developing the best in breed products. We bring in the right chemists, we bring in the right raw materials. We're not buying the cheapest raw materials, we're buying the best raw materials so that we can put those all together in a formula that makes sense for a DIY consumer. Whereas some companies that are out there today are just simply selling products. We back every one of our products with a money-back guarantee. Our customer service is second to none. And we're small enough that if you have a problem or you have something that you want to shout to the heavens about because you loved it, you can still get a hold of even myself or our executive team to give us that kind of feedback, which we value because that just makes us a better company.
NEXGEN can take your vehicle to the next level and beyond. Find it at getnexgen.com/Motorhead. That's where you get a special discount because you are a Motorhead Garage viewer. Keep on watching because we'll be right back after this.